Hi there. This is a video tutorial on how to use the website called Teach Your Monster to Read. It is a great resource for your students to be able to get on their device by themselves and learn on their own how to make certain sounds or what sounds letters make, and it even goes up to reading whole sentences. And so it's really great for the kids. I wanted to start out by showing a demo of it, what it's going to look like for the students when they actually log on. So this is the first steps, just the sounds that words make, that letters make, sorry. Then the next one is fun with words, so they'd be reading full words. And then the next one is champion reader, and so they would be reading sentences and harder words and things. But my first graders are going to be up here on the island, and so that's what it's going to look like. It's so fun. It has some really fun little graphics, and there's a little monster. He's so cute.
Find the rest of my letters, and I can fix part of your spaceship.
Alright, so here we go. Got my little monster. I think he has wings. And he likes to follow my cursor around. So he just goes, and maybe I want to go do the duck.
Oh no! All the ducks have escaped! Put all the ducks in the pond.
Okay, so I gotta go get some ducks. Come on, monster. Alright, so I'm gonna go get some ducks. Yay! Alright, so let's see what happens when I try to put them in the... Oh! Wrong pond. Let's go, ducks. Alright, so... easy enough. Yay! Ducky. And... Oh. Got a reluctant duck. Come on.
Put all the ducks in the pond.
Yay! He's a weird looking monster, but that's okay. We're all different.
Put all the ducks in the pond.
Alright, so that's pretty much what that game is. I'm gonna go back.
Find the
There
rest
are
of
lots
my
of
letters,
different...
and I can fix part of your spaceship.
There's lots of different little games that they can play. So, come on, little guy. So he would do...
Collect the flowers and they'll tell you which way to go.
Okay, I found that this game is really hard. Oh, man, I missed. Okay, click. Alright, I need the k. So I gotta go down. Alright. Yes. Did it say aw? I don't know. Okay, aw. Down. When it says to go up, it's really, really hard. Okay, the k sound. Okay, here we go. And tap. Oh, man, I missed it.
You've gone the wrong way. Collect the flowers and they'll tell you which way to go.
Okay, let's see if I can do it. Oh, I have to go up. Here we go. Yes, okay. So that one's really, really, it's a little harder for me. So anyway,
And I can fix part of...
there's that little button right there, and you can go through and it'll show all the letters that they already know, and it can turn off the music if they don't like the music. So,
your spaceship.
so that is what the students will see when they log in. So then after you actually log into your account, this is what you'll see. You can go to the Teach Your Monster to Read or Teach Your Monster Reading for Fun, which is a little bit, higher level. I've already put one of my students in here, and when it's time for me to add the rest of my kids, then I'm just going to go to Add Players. And I can group my kids, and I can also assign things to them, whatever I think that they might need or what they're struggling with. I have gone in and I've changed it so that they don't have to have a password when they log in. I felt like that was important, and if they're trying to get in by themselves, then they probably don't need a password. And then you can also change what it looks like for them. So that's pretty much everything for Teach Your Monster to Read. It is a really, really fun little game for them. I think I would use it as a reward for my students, and I know a lot of other teachers that do the same. They just use it as a reward, and it's really fun for them. So I hope that you'll find this a good resource for your classroom. Thanks for watching.